Right, I'll go for it. Woohoo!
We good?
Yeah.
We in gear, Jazz.
Shut up.
I'm sure whoever named the roads around here's got a serious sense of humour.
Probably.
Yeah. Doesn't seem like.
Because we've got to turn onto Butt Lake Road. So we're just holding out to Helmet City, see if we can spend some of Gary's money.
Not if I can help it.
Uncle Gary's promised to buy us or something. Thank you, Uncle Gary.
Don't remember doing that.
I'll have a near check too. Everybody say thank you, Uncle Gary.
Thank you, Uncle Gary.
Because it's always the wife with the evil laugh. Mine's got one too.
No, I haven't. Sweet and innocent, mate.
Oh, what a lovely day. 22 degrees.
Mine says 23. You're farting on me.
So what is it? It's telling you the temperature. You've got a temperature gauge on the way.
Yep.
Of course.
Put my visor down. You know the
Can't remember where mine is.
I can find it with these gloves on, but with my thicker gloves I couldn't find it.
Remember what a helmet I looked at, which I think was a... I can't remember whether it was an LS2 or another make, but it had a side-mounted lever for the sun visor, but it had it on the right-hand side, and I thought that's a bit of a bad design. What are we going to do with them eggs we bought?
Eat them.
Suppose we could do some eggy bread for breakfast tomorrow.
Oh, that sounds good. Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty.
They do like that style of church around here, don't
They really do, don't
that
they?
style of tower. Tell you what, if this has brought us to the right place, this is a rather spectacular, nice place to work, isn't it? Let's work in a bike shop right next to Cheddar Gorge. I think I might be looking for a new job.
Pay off the mortgage, pay off the working there for a living.
Where are we parking?
Where's best, if I go next to you or in front of you?
To me on the right.
Looks like they've got quite a lot of stuff here. Don't be falling on me.
Helmet City at Cheddar Gorge really is a little treasure trove, and Jamie and the other guys there couldn't have been any more helpful. We even managed to pick up a Drift Ghost XL as a spare camera for Jazz that we've been after for quite a while, but no one else had in stock. They told us that if we ever wanted to try anything on that they didn't necessarily have in stock but was one of the brands that they dealt with, if we gave them a bit of notice, they'd let us know when it was in, and then we could go down and try it on. And we've taken them up on this since this video was done, and we're really, really happy with the service they provided. And if you go out of lockdown, they'll even put the kettle on for you. So, definitely a place we'd highly recommend. Check them out.
Be careful, there's a truck looking to reverse.
Oh, God's sake.
Well, it's done it. Oh, million them gone. Oh my God. Right, we're going to have to go down the road and stop.
You okay?
I can hear them coming into range, so yeah.
When you're ready, yeah.
Well, I'll tell you what, Dad, for a change,
Yeah.
you guys pass me, I'll go at the back. Dad, you go at the front, because we'll change the camera angle up. 30. Go on, I'll go at the back for a bit, because then that changes up the view, doesn't it? Just be careful when you first get on it if them levers have been in the sun and then you put your bare fingers on the
Why are they fingerless gloves? Oh, you nutcase.
yeah, as you say, looks like a junction, is actually a roundabout. Although now I know why I sit at the front, because I forgot how ugly you lot are.
That's weird. It's took us down here and then now it's going to put us back on the road again. Yeah.
Language, Alison. Shocking. She's meant to be the responsible adult of the group and then coming out with language like that, I don't know. Shocking.
Right, we're going to turn up ahead.
Alright, bud. Oh, what a lovely sunny day. Dun 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 dun.
Hang on, go right round. We'll go up there.
Yeah, along the
Yeah, along
seafront,
the
hon. Yeah,
seafront.
along the seafront, along the seafront. Trying to find somewhere that's not paying display.
It's all, that's what I said to you. It's all, what's the name in?
Well, we'll pull up and we'll see how much the paying display actually is. There you go, I've left you plenty of room. Come in behind me.
It goes, this road goes down for miles, and literally for miles is parking bays, but they're all paid ones. That's why, I think that's why it's so deserted. Because
70p for an hour. However,
yeah,
you cannot pay in cash. You have to pay by phone. So you'll have to pay by phone for 5 bikes. Do you want to nip back to where we were the other day?
you sure? Okay, hang on, I'll do it.
Well, it could be a bit awkward trying to pay by phone 70p for 5 bikes, couldn't it?
That's the thing, I think you'd holiday more in the UK if it wasn't for the fact the weather's unpredictable, which you could deal with. But you just get ripped off for parking everywhere. It's like in Germany, we just stop wherever we want. Same Italy, Romania, New Zealand, South Africa. There was always parking and it was just free. So you stopped and you spent money.
I mean, Burnham-on-Sea looks a pretty big place, but they're missing a trick, aren't they?
Well, to be honest, it's that close to where we're staying. I'd just come here for a bag of chips for me tea or something, but by the time you've paid £1 each on top of your food, forget it.
And don't forget, this isn't the high weeks or anything. Yeah.
Yeah, fine. And even if we're not, lovely day riding the bike. Who cares if it's the wrong direction?
This is the way we came in the other night. See, remember that statue there, yeah? Monument.
Definitely different weather to when we were down here the other day. Time for an ice cream. Right, so the wind appears to be blowing that way. Loads of sand here, be careful. I will obviously watch the footage later, but did Gary go a bit sideways then?
Just a bit.
Gary, there's a thimble of sand pulling out the car park, be careful. Did you get caught, Dad? Are you through? Can you hear us, Dad?
Well, yeah.
You know it's going to be an awesome ride when it's called the Crazy Mouse.
Crazy Mouse, woo.
Don't forget you need toilet paper.
We got some.
Oh, right, good. Where'd you get that?
General store. On the seafront.
Oh, good. Oh.
Where we going tomorrow, like?
Ask our tour operator.
I'll have a look tonight and see.
Oh, this is that road where there's like weird ridges right along it, isn't there?
Yeah. It's the bed.
Where it kind of drops away at the sides and stuff.
Well, that was a nice ice cream, that. Thanks, Dad.
Good air. Mine was shit. I didn't change down.
Oopsie.
It's amazing, you go from the glorious sunshine of 5 minutes ago to this.